My name is Roshan Gya. I'm actually leading the global digital industrial manufacturing and operation practice for Capgemini Invent. I'm based in Paris. Fundamentally, our clients today are facing, I would say in a nutshell, 4 challenges. The first one is around the digital continuity that they need to ensure within the company, from engineering to manufacturing, from engineering to construction, operations and maintenance. So how to remove silos within the company. Secondly, within this digital world, we are creating a whole new digital asset, digital product, digital plant, where we need new capabilities in managing these digital assets that we are developing. Thirdly, it's around scale-up. How to shift from a prototyping and proof of concept approach to a scale-up approach where we'll impact thousands of employees, the way we work, we deliver, and we produce services. And the fourth one is within this digital world, we are connected and we have to face cybersecurity issues.